Hi, Miss Loader here. Wanted to share the learning for Tuesday, the 9th of February. It's an English lesson. I'll talk about what the WALT is in a second. I just wanted to recap on yesterday's lesson first. So can you think about the different word classes that we learnt yesterday? Okay, and how can we recognise them? So I'll just give you a chance to think about that, talk to someone. So you might pause the video. Okay, so of course we had nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Okay. Now remember, a noun was the name of a person, place, or thing. A verb is a doing word, an action. Okay. Adjectives are describing words, and adverbs tell you more about the verb, how the action is done. Okay. So you might want to pause the video and then sort the words into the table. You could just draw a line in maybe if you wanted to, or just talk about it. Quite often, words ending in ly are adverbs. Okay, now here's some more practice for you. You might want to go to this activity and complete it. It's just carrying on with nouns, verbs, and adjectives and adverbs. Okay, and here you go. Here's an activity. Add in the adjectives and adverbs. Okay, so our goal is to recognize and use progressive verbs within our writing. Okay, and we're going to use past progressive. Now, when we're using the past continuous, it's she was cooking all morning. It's the subject. Okay, then using was or were, and then a verb ending in ing. Okay, so you might want to have a go at these. Okay, now that's present progressive. Here you go. Here's past progressive. Now you'll notice the subject, which is obviously the teacher, using was, and then it's the verb ing. So I'll let you have a go at those. Now, I have attached a really handy video that explains the difference between past progressive and present progressive. Okay, so I'll let you do the activities yourself. Okay, now this is what the learning activity is. You've got to write your own sentences using the past progressive tense. Okay, to say what you did in the morning. So before writing it, you might want to talk to Anne about what you did in the morning, and I'll give you some examples. I'm just going to do them here. Look at what you can do. So I was eating my breakfast. I was putting on my school uniform. Now, when it's singular, you'll use was. Okay, it's talking about one person. When you're talking about a collective, okay, you will use were. Okay, so for example here, we were walking to school because there was more than one of you. Okay, and just to remember that when you're using the past progressive, the verb will end with ing. So running, jumping, climbing, skipping, putting, eating, dressing. Okay, and there is a support activity for you. Now, Fly High Challenge, try and put it into chronological order of the events that happen. So in what did you do first, then next, then after that. Okay. And then to try and include adverbs and speech within your writing. Now that's a really good challenge for you. When you're done, okay, share your writing with a partner and then see if they've managed to use the past progressive and has your partner managed to use adverbs. And then there is a quiz end off with to see how you got on with using the past progressive. Okay, look, you've got Jade was laughing throughout the film. Is that present progressive or past progressive? Right, make sure you watch the video. Okay, I'll make sure the link goes on. Thank you very much.